Hey, what's up? How you doing? Here I am again with one single auto reverse vintage SONY cassette deck TC-R302. It's basically a simple, maybe we should say kinda elegant deck for that time, if we can pass this ugly, huge rewind and fast forward LEDs, and maybe the counter, which this silver unnecessary. I don't know. You see, you can choose direction mode, manually select tape 1, tape 2, tape 4, Dolby on, B and C and B. Yeah, and what's interesting, of course, for the deck at that time was normal, but now maybe it's not, microphone inputs and recording level knob. It says liquid crystal peak level meter, but we cannot see that because this deck is totally out of power, broken. So it is kind of in okay condition. I mean, there are not so much scratches on the top and stuff like that, but since it's very old, and it doesn't have some, let's say, great technical characteristics, I think that like a metal tape, you can record like a 15 kilohertz. That's like not too much. So I would not bother to repair it. Instead, I'm gonna use it because I need some parts. I saw the pinch rollers are fine. Motor, probably we have 1 and 2 motors. So I think we're gonna take the motors out, power switch for sure. Belt, if it's good, you would be surprised. Some of these decks, they have still good working belts. The belt was made with a high quality material, not like these days, and some of them would last for 30 years. I mean, you would probably want it to replace it, but we're gonna check it. We got a tape counter mechanical, that's another belt. Yeah, it's gonna be recycled. I'll take some parts, the rest will be recycled because it's so cheap, so old, and you know me, I like to show everything on YouTube. I saw there are a couple of videos on YouTube with this Model 1. It's actually working fine, just fine. So yeah, I just wanted to make another video in 4K so you can see how it looks. Some of you would find maybe this cassette deck interesting. Maybe you have it before when you were young, in your past. All right, that's the bit. So SONY TC-R302, the last look before I take it apart and grab some useful parts from it. Take care.